Hello, this is Randy Lindsay with Hawkeye Traders. Today I want to talk to you about Forex volume. Volume in Forex. A lot of people tell me there's no true volume in Forex. Well, actually, that's true. If you look at the spot Forex market, there really is no central exchange. So we can't really count how many contracts that are needed, or the size of the contracts traded at any given time. But in Forex, we can look at the number of ticks, and the changes in price, which is used, help us to derive volume. Hawkeye Volume looks at that and helps you as a trader to see from a volume perspective the intent of the market. Let's look at the pound dollar as a great example here. If you look at the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames, I'll show you how we use triple time frames to easily identify the directionality of market coming from this volume in the Forex market. This volume that nobody really thinks exists. But if you know and understand how to use volume with price in the Forex market, it will give you an edge. Look at the 15-minute chart. Identify this 15-minute chart. You can see that over time, you can see that the trend is definitely down. Here you can see volume trying to come back in at the lows, but failing. And then here is another one which is confirmed by another green volume bar closing higher than that. So you can see now an increase in the volume, previous volume, current volume, an increase in buying volume as the price goes down. That's a very good positive bullish divergence that we're looking for. So price stops, and then once it starts to go back up again, notice how the selling volume goes down, but now the buying volume starts to go up. So you can see that there's a definite transition and change from buyers and sellers in the market. Now, as price continues to go up, Hawkeye really doesn't signal to get in long because the overall direction of this market is still short. So you can see that there's no real entry to go long here. But again, volume tells us the answer. If you look at this little bar right here, you see that it's trying to break out, but then it turns red also. This is the selling pressure coming right back in. Big amount of volume pushing up, but no follow through. See the big volume push? Volume radar says that's a big push up, and that's important. But look, there's no follow through. There are no real buyers coming in to support that. Then when you get to this attractive level, this is saying that, okay, buyers are exhausted, sellers, it's time to come back in. So pressure's put on, price responds, and then it continues to go down. Then you start to see a build of selling. See that? Build of selling. Buyers try to come in, but they're falling. And then again, they can't build. But here you can see sellers come in. They're continuing to build. All right, so accelerated price action. Volume in Forex is the key. So we're looking at this. This is stopping volume. We're looking at this. This is starting. And this is telling you the market wants to continue to go down. The market went down. Then when you see volume come back into the buy side, notice that the buying volume is starting to increase. The selling volume is starting to decrease. So this engulfing bar buying volume tells you this market is in for a correction. Doesn't mean it's an actual reversal, but you definitely see a correction here, and you don't know it's a real reversal until you see prior highs broken and prior lows not fulfilled. All right, so let's look at the second time frame. The second time frame, the exact same setup. Price came down. So you see the same volume coming back in again, stopping this, price coming back up again, and then telling right back into another bottom. Look at that. Another buying volume bar coming back in, showing that the direction of this downtrend is now done, and it's starting to pull right back up again. Third time frame, there it is again right there. So you can see how important volume is. Now, if you expand this out to a much larger scale, can anybody see the red tops and the green bottoms? See the green bottom here, see the red top, see the red top, see the red top, see the green bottoms. Buying and selling tells you the intent of the market and where the market wants to go. And if you are a student of volume and price, which we try to get you in Hawkeye to do, then you will have an edge. So learn more about how to trade with volume and price by coming to my free training class every single Wednesday, 9:30 in the morning Eastern Time. Download a copy of our free volume ebook to help you to see and understand the advantages of trading with volume, especially in the Forex market. And if you want to try the software out yourself, then click the link on this page for a very good discount on getting a 14-day trial on our Hawkeye software. Thank you for your time.